fix LS-0013 error, you need first completely close Fortnite. Then you need to go to Task Manager and then completely close Epic Games Launcher as well, right? Epic Games Launcher should be closed. And then let's see, for the Fortnite, there is no tasks, right? Then what you need to do here next is to go on search, type run. Then you need to on run window write % local app data %, right? Press OK. Then you need to look for here on local Epic Games Launcher. Then hit that, saved, and delete this folder. And your error should be fixed. That's pretty much it. If I help you out, like this video and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.